There's a whole movement underway to virtualize the network, and I think we're really just at the early stages of networking in general being virtualized across all sectors.
This to me is like when the internet was born in the 90s. The same feeling, the same enthusiasm, the same way of thinking of things differently.
I love change. I love efficiency. I love automation. I really love automation.
We are building the foundations of what is going to shape things to come.
Networking is one of the most expensive and complex areas. Most of our partners and customers can neither afford or actually understand networking.
When it comes to networking, there was complexity. Our vision is simplify a complex world.
NSX is a virtualization technology for networking, which overlays the physical network and allows easy deployment of networking resources from the compute all the way up to the storage. So Zettagrid used NSX primarily to front the virtual data center product. And what that meant, in effect, is that we're allowing our end customers to take all the benefits of NSX from an edge perspective and allow them to have the goodness of the advanced networking services.
Typically there has been that gap in the market between what's actually available and what a customer or an enterprise would need to actually consume, and that's where our automation layer actually comes in and allows us to differentiate. We remove a lot of the reliance on project services and implementation services, which means that customers can just select off the website and purchase something that they can actually use from day one within their business.
So we're allowing the customers to consume NSX from our portal in a way which is easy for them to use and understand.
They can change a firewall setting. They can connect two sites together in Sydney and Brisbane without actually having to talk to us or hire someone to go and do it. So someone that has some basic VMware knowledge can actually use NSX and deliver some advanced networking features that they could never have done before.
If the network is virtualized, then the networking elements can be achieved in literally seconds rather than waiting days, weeks for physical provisioning of infrastructure.
We're able to simplify. When you simplify it, then people are able to deliver things quicker, faster, more efficiently. They don't need a network engineer. They can just say, all right, we'll just deploy this. We'll use NSX, we'll deploy this edge device, we'll deploy this firewall. The rules are we need to change it, we'll change those rules. It just happens.
We've seen most recently about 1 in 5 customers come to us because we're using NSX. And whether that's using the networking technology or using VMware and vSphere to interact with us, that's the benefit that we're seeing and improving our virtualization revenue.
There's lots and lots of infrastructure as a service providers in Australia. We've been striving to stay ahead of the pack, and differentiation using products like NSX is essential to make sure that we stand out from the crowd.